Christopher is 7 years old and a prodigy.
When he first came into our lives, we just had no idea what was going on. We were worried. He was really keeping to himself. He was sleeping all the time.
Probably taking a cat nap right now.
Probably is. And just kind of trying to see who he was becoming. And he really surprised us when he began to show his artistic skills. It's really astounding, particularly given his limitations.
Arts. Well, we're not really arts people per se. We're just really moved by his ability to express himself through his artwork. And the layer of detail, the mastery of the technology. I don't know how he does it. It's beyond me.
What were your expectations for Christopher when he came into your life?
I think it's that thing where you try to just be ready for whoever it is. They're gonna have their own personality, they're gonna have their own preferences, but you have to adjust to what you're getting, and that's where the joy actually comes in.
Surprise for sure.
Yeah.
Surprise. Yeah. I'm constantly being surprised by Christopher.
And amazed. Amazed.
Christopher's subject matter has varied greatly, but mostly from the sort of natural world.
He had this bird thing for a while.
Obsessed.
Obsessed
with birds. Show them, because you would do the look for me. Would you show them the look?
Yeah. Kind of like,
yeah.
Like that, this thing with
his
his mouth.
Very intense. You're very obsessed with birds.
You know, that concerned me. But then I remembered, you know what did Van Gogh do? Van Gogh. What did Van Gogh do?
Right. He cut off his ear.
But before that,
right.
He would just obsessively look up at the night sky. So I'll just see him, you know, fixated on how the light is coming through the window.
Yeah, and a lot like Monet, you know, sort of stages of light throughout the day.
Monet, we've definitely seen.
Yeah. Pop art, definitely a big influence.
Huge.
The guys who do the dogs playing poker.
It's just reading the cues and seeing what can I do to facilitate, right? So
we're trying to create a space where Christopher can be as Christopher-y as he can. Really nice composition. This one's a little aggressive. You don't think he's being bullied in the neighborhood, do you?
Honestly, I'm more worried about the screen time.
Yeah.
You know?